And we're back. Today is Tutorial Saturday. The Jersey fam already knew that, but if you're new, Tutorial Saturday is the one day in the week where I teach you some dance moves to add it to your style and make you a way better dancer than yesterday. As you already read from the title, I'm gonna be teaching y'all the sexy walk. I should have been taught this to y'all because this is a basic Jersey club dance move, but if you don't already know what the sexy walk is, let me show you a quick glimpse of this move. So if you want to learn that, stay tuned.
Put the new 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets.
Yo, what's poppin', Jersey fam? It's your boy JerseyMadeRich, aka your favorite Jersey club YouTuber. And I'm back with another video serving my purpose. Now that y'all know I'm finna teach y'all the sexy walk, I ain't gonna waste no more time talking, but I'm gonna need y'all to do me a quick favor. Hit that like button, hit that sub button if you new, and drop a comment down below if this video was helpful. Now without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, we finna hop into this move. I'm finna talk to y'all while I do this move so I could describe what you're doing for the slow people, because I know there's a lot of slow people that be watching my videos that can't understand sometimes about some of the dance moves, but no shade towards them, alright? So what you wanna do is have your legs shoulder width apart, and you wanna squat down just a little bit to where you can see the top of your leg, your femur, and your knees, right? Turn to the side, it should look like this. Now from the squat position, you want to go on the balls of your feet, all right? Not your toes. You want to go on the balls of your feet. It should be looking like this. You want to go on the balls of your feet, on both of your feet, right? So you want to open your legs, go on the balls of your feet, bring in your heels, close your legs while still on the balls of your feet. And now from here, you want to step out just a little bit, open your legs, come back, close them. Now you want to do it again. Open your legs, close them. Now step out on the other leg. Boom. Open, come back, close. Open, close, step out. Boom, 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 boom. Easy. Now I have taught y'all the sexy walk. We're gonna put it together and loop it together while doing it slow. You know what I'm saying? You want to get that muscle memory going, you feel me? Remember, open your legs, close, step out, open your legs, come back in, close, open your legs, close, step out, open your legs, close. And then just keep on doing that. And then with your arms, you feel me? You could just be vibing, you feel me, like this. You feel me? You just vibing and then just. Now that is it for this Tutorial Saturday. If you enjoyed this Tutorial Saturday and you found it helpful, comment down below. Sub, stay tuned for more. Like this one and go check out some of my recent Tutorial Saturdays. Remember, great things take time, so learn slow and enjoy the journey. And I'm out.